Drops half dancing on the glass. My cup's half full, but won't it last? Steam rising slow like a fleeting dream. Morning whispers through the great beam. Coffee in the rain, bittersweet. Warm in my hands, cold concrete. Sipping time, it slips away. Coffee in the rain. Let's stay. A puddle ripples breaks the calm. The world's a song, the rain's a song. Umbrellas bloom like flowers in May, but here we're still, let the drizzle play. Every sip's a little story of yesterday's pain or fleeting glory. Every drop that falls outside echoes the tears I've yet to cry. Coffee in the rain, bittersweet. Warm in my hands, cold concrete. Sipping time, it slips away. Coffee in the rain. Let's stay. The rain will stop, the sun will shine, but this moment's yours, this moment's mine. Coffee in the rain, a fleeting chance to share the storm, to share the dance. A puddle ripples, breaks the calm. The world's a song, the rain's a song. Umbrellas bloom like flowers in May, but here we're still. Let's